Top 10 Heaviest Land Carnivores. 10. Gray wolf. Height 80 to 85 centimeters. Weight 30 to 80 kilograms. Male adult 23 to 55 kilograms. Female adult. Eats deets, hares, moose, Arctic fox, bison, elk, beaver, rodents, and ungulates. 9. Spotted hyena. Adults measure 95 to 165.8 centimeters in body length and have a shoulder height of 70 to 91.5 centimeters. Adult male spotted hyenas in the Serengeti weigh 40.5 to 55.0 kilograms, while females weigh 44.5 to 63.9 kilograms. 8. Green anaconda. Weight 97.5 kilograms. Diet: fish, birds, deer. 7. Jaguar. Weight 158 kg. Diet: caiman, deer, capybaras. 6. Burmese python. Weight 183 kg. Diet: rats, deer, goats. Heaviest recorded specimen. 5. African lion. Weight 250 kg. Diet: wildebeest, zebra, carrion. 4. Siberian tiger. Weight 318 kg. Diet: deer, pigs. 3. Brown bear. Weight 680 kg. Diet: salmon, berries, seaweed. 2. Polar bear. Weight 700 kg. Diet: ringed and bearded seals. 1. Walrus. Weight 1200 kg. Diet: shellfish, occasionally seals. Walruses spend a third of their lives on land or ice.